All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got a nice little sidekick for my laptops. Yes. So if you don't know, this is the laptop that I actually travel with. This is the 13-inch convertible Lenovo. This has LTE, which is the reason I travel with it. But there came a time at one point where I needed a bigger canvas and I wanted to showcase something. So lo and behold, powers that be sent me over a nice 15.6-inch 1080p Sidekick Type-C monitor. So you can find it right here. Right now it's 15 bucks off with that coupon right there. I'll be sure to check the links in the description for the updated pricing. But this is by Lepow. I think I've worked with them before. Yeah, you can use this Type-C on your Mac, your PC, whatever. It says Xbox, PS4, your phone, everything. So the price right there obviously is $169 and get that 15 bucks off. So we're gonna crack into this thing here. Let me see here. Trying to make it as easy as possible on us. Let's get some specs real quick. So you can see there, Type-C 15.6-inch portable display. You've got IPS, 16:9, 16.7 million colors. Color temperature is 6800. So let's crack into this. And it's got built-in speakers too. So this is pretty exciting, man. I've been waiting on this one. You can never have enough display. So let's get this open. I'm gonna test it here with the with my laptop. So it looks like, oh nice, I get a screen protector. Sweet, screen protector. Let's get to the monitor though. I wanna see how heavy it is. Oh, it's not too bad. And you get Type-C cables in the box. You get a cover, everything. This is what I'm talking about. Nice little cover. This looks like a laptop. So here's the monitor itself. Very nice. See there. Let's get into this side right here first. It looks like you got mini HDMI to full HDMI, which is pretty sweet. Then you got your Type-C. You got a 3.5 millimeter jack over there. And on this side, let me get my glasses. Another Type-C, which is what you'll need. And then it looks like this might be volume, and I'm assuming that might be power. So this needs to be powered by the source. So I'm gonna try to get this off here. Gratifying. In the box here, obviously, you get the Type-C cable. Very nice. And we'll need that. I like that it has two Type-C ports. I think that's a good look. This is the mini HDMI cable to full HDMI. I believe that's full HDMI. Let's just be sure. It has to be. Yep, full HDMI. I have one of these cables. We don't want to mess with that right now. But that'll come in handy if I want to use it for my DSLR. So, let's see how this was in here. This should go something like that. Yeah, it's got little magnets. And then, I'll plug up the Type-C on this side. And then I'll power up the laptop. See how my viewfinder is looking. All right. My trusty fingerprint sign in. Gotta love it. Just reading some YouTube comments, checking out some videos on wide bodies. And let's plug this in right here and see what happens. All right, guys, got it fired up here. Testing out a video here. This is actually pretty sweet, man. It's looking pretty hot. It's looking pretty hot. It's a 1080p 15.6-inch display, and it's looking really good. Let's zoom. Let's get over here. Now, I read the instructions, and pretty much if you want to get it to where it needs to be, have a power source. So I have a power source on this side of the monitor, and this cable right here is going into the laptop. I'll try it with a phone too, and I'm pretty sure it'll look okay. But what do you think about this quality? It's like a matte film over it, so it's really nice. The screen actually tilts down to here. and tilts way down there. Don't mind the LEDs up above that kills off the quality. But I like this, man. This is a great sidekick for your phone or your laptop. I want to try it with a phone because I tried it with a phone before and it didn't work. It just kept acting crazy. So I don't know if it was because I didn't have the power source or not. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and try it with a phone. So let's see if I can get it with a phone. I'll go real time here.
Because it does have a power source. So it says no signal. But up here in the status bar, something popped up from the phone. I mean here. Let's see here.
So it's not working with the Pixel. Let's try it with the G8. Oh, and there it is. So maybe it's something in the settings of the G8 that I need to, the Pixel that I need to adjust. But here it is. So look at that. Wow. Let's go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi and let's fire up a video. This is boss mode. You just have to have a power source to the monitor to give it that juice. So let's go into YouTube here. And let's just fire up a video. Now the speakers on this thing, they're not very good. So the quality is pretty decent, man. I kind of like this. If you want to mirror your phone, it's good. This is my internet connection. For some reason, my Wi-Fi has been jacking up. There you go. That's boss right there. That's pretty boss. And if you turn your phone in landscape mode when working, you can, set your orientation to where it will rotate for the home screen. Yeah, that works. I don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi right now. It's just bogging down for some reason. I guess because everything is connected to the internet in the house. But this is the quality, man. The only downside I see to this monitor is that the volume is not very loud. As you can see, the source for the volume goes up there. But if you have Bluetooth on, you'll be able to switch it to that. But this is pretty boss, man. I'm feeling it. I don't really know what happened with the Pixel and why the Pixel wouldn't do it, wouldn't link it up or whatever. But nonetheless, it's still a go. This is a serious sidekick right here. I'm feeling this. So what do you guys think, man? I'll leave a link down below. Remember, if you decide to pick this up, check the box so you can get the $15 off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Very nice. Let's give it one more round right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. It literally mirrors everything. That is sweet right there. It looks good too. So let me disconnect the power source. Yeah, it totally goes away. No power source, no go. And it also, the power source will charge whatever device you have. So it was charging the laptop and now it's charging the G8. So, all right, man, that's pretty hot. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, folks. So just to take a look at the actual monitor, once again, it's a matte feel on it. This is a lightweight monitor too, man. These are the speakers on the side right here, and honestly, that's one of the cons that I see already. Other than that, this is how you adjust the brightness. That's the power button. That's the Type C for the power, and that's the Type C for the video out, and this is the HDMI out. So I could essentially hook my monitor, hook my camera to this right here, because my camera, my DSLR, has the mini HDMI out. So that's pretty hot, man. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I like that it comes with the magnetic stand and case and everything. This is hot. This is gonna be a great sidekick to travel with, and you just have a little power source and you're good. Good combination right here, folks. Good combination. So, it's your man Jay. Sorry about the mess back there. I didn't clean up after. My bad. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, man. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.